Alrighty, so since I know everyone in here is actually paying attention right now, everyone's doing their work and wants to get a good grade in this class and not just come in here and complain that you don't have a good grade. So I know I don't need to tell anyone to put their earbuds away. I know I don't need to tell anyone to put their phone away.
But we're using our flash.
I know, but you know, if you're swiping left right now while we're talking, then you got some issues.
That looked dumb.
Okay, so let's go through and actually do this. Find the volume of cones, pyramids, and spheres. Sphere. So for this one right here, volume of the cone, my formula is going to be, it's basically going to be a cylinder, but it's going to be 1/3 of a cylinder. So it's going to be volume is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Now, this thing right here is a pyramid with a rectangular base. Here, I got one right here. I don't want to throw it. I'm not having good luck this week at throwing stuff.
We know.
All right, so volume of pyramid. So this is basically a rectangular prism, but it's going to be a pyramid, so it's going to be 1/3 of that rectangular prism. So it would be like this. It would be length times width times height, right? So the volume is going to be 1/3 length times width times height. Another way that you could actually see this is because if I have something that looks like this, you're going to look at it and see it like this. Volume is 1/3 capital B times the height. Where capital B means that it's going to be the area of the shape on the bottom. It's the area of the shape on the bottom. Because sometimes you could have a triangle, sometimes you could have a rectangle, or a, I don't know, trapezoid, I guess, if you really feel like.
Oh my god.
Dang it.
It was a calculator, bro.
I know! That's why I can't have nice things.
We know.
Anyway, all right, so let's try this one right here. Example 1.
That's not true.
Volume is 1/3. What is my radius?
9.
What?
It's 20.
It's right here. I'm on this one.
20.
20. 20 squared pi, and what am I missing? An h, right? 37. You threw me off with that 9. I was like, ah! Okay, so they're all there. Now, we're going to do this twice. I'm going to show you 2 different ways. One's going to be called in terms of pi. We did this the other day in terms of pi. That means you do not put the pi in the calculator. It's just you leave it off like it's a variable. So if I'm doing this correctly, it's going to be, let me see, what's that? That's going to be 1/3, 400 times 37, which is going to give me what? Y'all got the calculators. You know that thing that you just dropped on the floor?
What is it?
Calculate, come on.
Also, the sun wants to come up right now. That's nice. Ain't that a beautiful scene?
But do not put the pi in. This is going to be called in terms of pi.
Hey, Mr. Parson, what if your calculator is degree?
You're fine.
4933.3 repeated.
Okay, 4933.3 repeating, right?
Yeah.
And that's going to be in terms of pi, so I just put the pi right there.
Wait, we don't put the pi in the calculator?
That's what I just said. It's in terms of pi. So this is where V is equal to exact answer in terms of pi. You know, it's sad when you're watching someone like put the earbuds in even though you just told them not to. Don't make me hit you with something. Okay. All right. So this is in terms of pi. That means leave the pi there. This is going to be the exact answer for this. Now the next one is going to be an approximate, where V is going to be approximately. Now you put in the pi. There's two different ways of showing the answer, huh?
I have the answer.
Oh, you have the answer? Go ahead, Richard. Hold on.
1, 5.
Hold on.
Oh.
What were you saying?
I was gonna ask because I put it like the way you put it, but it gave me like
Don't put the pi. Do not put the
like,
pi in the
yeah, I
calculator.
didn't put the pi, but it gave me a fraction. So.
Okay, put control divide or control enter. Control enter and it gives you the decimal. Is that better? Okay. All right. Go ahead with the exact answer.
It's 15498.5.
And since both of these are volume, that's going to be what's my units?
Inches cubed.
There we go. Is this pretty easy now?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Hey, that guy. Do you want to come up here too? You want to come up closer? You sure? We can make room for you up here. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at this next one then. Volume is equal to 1/3. Okay. Length times width times height. What's the length?
23.
Say 23. All right. Times width
37,
times height
25.
25. If you notice, the height has to be directly straight up and down at a right angle. Straight up and down. Okay, from here up to the peak. So,
Get him.
get him. Get him. Get him.
He
Wow,
got
man,
him.
It's my phone. It's okay.
It's not.
Charge it.
it's not okay. Do your phone.
Oh, you're finally wearing pants.
Oh, whoa. Where your legs at, dude?
But I've actually never seen you wear pants.
Okay, the 30 degrees this morning, you know, it is, yeah, so.
It was 3 degrees.
Anyway, volume
It's 30 degrees this morning.
equals.
Mr. Pacho.
Okay, hold on. I need someone else because I know someone over there had it. Help me.
Hang on, let me do it then. Jesus.
I hear it. 7091.
Wait,
I'm sorry, I can't hear that past the 0. 1. 7091.6.
You're supposed to round it, aren't you?
You're saying 0.61 or 0.7? Okay, 0.7.
No, it was
67.
Oh my god.
0.67. No, but you round it, and that's the end. Why would you
Bro, is it 7 or 0.67?
Bro.
Okay, now look, watch. Watch. 0.67. Does that 7 makes that 6 go up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So should it be 0.7?
Yeah.
Thank you. So it should be 0.7. Man, everyone's salty today.
You weren't hearing what he says, and I have to.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to. I can't hear over, Tweedledee and Tweedledum over here. And these guys over here slapping each other. So I apologize for their nonsense. What are my units? Feet what?
Feet cubed.
There we go.
Yeah, talking about some
All right, let's try this one. What if you are not given the height? Now, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. If you're not given the height, you're given the slant height instead.
Oh, I see.
So in this case right here, this is the slant height. It is this piece right here. Okay? Hey, you guys shut up. You guys mumbling. I can't hear people over there too. Man. Okay. So right here, I'm trying to accentuate this, but it is a right angle.
Are you that stupid?
This is a...
That's really rude. What you think this was?
It's a right angle right here. How can I solve for a right triangle?
15 minus 9?
Nope.
Is it?
Can
Is
you
it?
do like sine or cosine?
Nah, no, because I don't have an angle. Go ahead.
Is it the length?
It's a right triangle. How do I find a missing side in a right triangle?
I don't remember.
Very good. Pythagorean theorem.
Damn it, Jonathan.
H squared plus 9 squared equals
15 squared?
15 squared. So it's going to be h squared plus 81, 225. Subtract 81 from both sides. H squared is equal to
144? Mm-hmm.
right? And then square root. H is equal to square root of 144. So in this case, H is equal to... So now that H is equal to 12,
Jesus.
can I put in my formula?
Yeah.
So it's going to be volume is equal to 1/3. Okay, pi 9 squared times 12. And give me the approximate answer first. Actually, just give me the approximate answer. That's all I need here.
And then we put pi, right?
Yeah, that's with pi. Approximate is with pi. Hey, you have a calculator. You know that, right? I'm tired of your calculate.
It's 1,017.
What do we get?
1,017.87.
1017.87, which would make it a
9.
9. What are my units?
Centimeters cubed.
You guys agree? Okay, let's try this one. Same thing here. Now, on this one here, in this one here, this is the slant height right here. Same information. How do I find the height of this?
Pythagorean theorem.
So I would have h squared plus,
10 squared.
nope,
12 squared.
nope. Look at where the triangle is.
Then what is it? It ain't 12 squared.
Nope,
You cut 10 in?
nope.
I don't know.
Oh, 6.
Why is it 6?
Because it's the radius.
It kind of would be the radius, but it's only half of the base, right? So the base is 12.
So you cut the bro, where's that
On your
number?
box says no.
Stop.
Bro, we have to eat.
Bro, shit fingers.
Getting loud.
6, right here.
How's that 6?
Okay, look at the whole base is 12, right?
So you cut the 12 in half?
Yes, because I'm trying to go across there.
So it'll be 6 squared.
6 squared equals
5 squared?
10 squared.
10 squared.
Because that's the triangle. Look at the triangle, okay? Look at the triangle again. The 10 is the whole thing, right? And 12, this is only half of the 12, isn't it? That's why it's only half of that one. H squared plus 36 equals 100 minus 36. H squared is 64. H equals square root 64. H is,
8? No.
say 8.
8.
Thank you. Alright, so on this one right here, let's go through and actually do this. Volume is 1/3. What's my length?
6?
12. Because it's the base of the pyramid, right? Okay, what is the width of the pyramid? It's going to be 12 again. Whenever you see something like this and it only gives you this one side, it's implying that it has a square base. It is a square pyramid. So this is going to be 12 and 8.
Wait, 2 12?
Yes, because it's 12 here. This is also 12 over here.
Wait, so there's no like, it's not 12 squared?
It's going to be 12 times 12 is 12 squared, right? But I'm going by the formula that I have up here. Because this is a pyramid, right? There we go. So, put in your calculator, see what we get. 384 inches cubed.
What is that?
384 inches cubed. Alright, so volume of a sphere. Here's the formula. 4/3 pi r cubed. Find the volume of a sphere with the radius of 8. Volume is 4/3 pi 8 cubed.
It's getting loud.
That's so irritating.
You're telling me I have to sit here all day?
2,144.
Poncho, turn it off, Poncho.
Alright, so what do we get? So volume is going to be about what?
2,144.
2,144.7.
7.
What are my units?
Centimeters cubed.
Está muy fácil? Fácil. ¿Sí?
Sí.
You want French in here.
C.
Please.
Je suis la Juvie. Parlez-vous français? Je suis beaucoup?
Wait, wait.
If you gotta go, raise your hand, and then just, I'll let you go to the restroom, okay? Don't just all of a sudden tell me, yeah, come on now.
What? Disgusting.
Do you know any bad words?
Okay, so, watch this. Regular cone, regular pyramid. Now, for this cone right here, what's the radius?
15.
What's the height?
50 from
25. This one's okay. Same formula.
Okay, yeah.
Number 4. This one right here is a slant height. So you have to do this first. You have to try and find the height. Six. How much of a sphere is that? Half a sphere, right? Anyone know the word for half a sphere? I got pastries.
Hemisphere.
Hemisphere.
There we go. He's got it.
What?
I said it. How much?
You said have a sphere.
I said have a.
Damn, you got this on my shirt, buddy.
Quit your whining.
Wait,
Hemisphere.
Oh, it was right.
Can I get a what's the hemisphere?
You said have a sphere.
Okay, same thing. What the hell?
Okay, see this snow cone? Listen. Listen. 7. Volume of a cone plus volume of a hemisphere, and add those.
Alright.
What about this thing?
That's a pill, bro.
That's a Xanax.
Two halves make a.
Oh.
It's a whole sphere and a
Circle.
Hemisphere.
Sphere.
cylinder.
Hey.
Okay, so cylinder and a sphere together, right?
Yeah.
Okay, these word problems, you guys are gonna have to work these out. Okay, you guys got the rest of the time. Don't make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button.